Hello viewers, today we will continue our series Leetcode 75. Earlier we have solved the merge string alternately, and then today we have to solve greatest common divisor of a string, which is GCD of a string. So let's solve this. Here is given a string 1 and string 2. You just have to find the GCD, greatest common divisor of the string. Okay, so here is given lots of example. Let's understand this. Here is given a string 1 which is ABC and ABC, and string 2 is ABC. You have to find the GCD of GCD of S1 comma S2. Okay, you have to find the GCD. So how you can find it? You just have to divide the string 1 by string 2. Okay, and the string that you get is the GCD of both the string. So if you divide this ABC by ABC, okay, after dividing this, ABC and ABC will be cancelled out and you will get ABC. So you just have to return the string which is GCD of S1 and S2. After this you just have to return ABC, and if you divide lead and code, you will did not find any common elements, so you don't cut any element, so you just have to return the empty string. In the same way for AB and AB, the common element is AB, so you just cut these last four element and you will get the AB. You have to return this AB. Okay, so I explained this with an example. You just have to divide them. So let's do this. First I will find length of string 1 and string 2, both int L1 equals to str dot size, int length 2 equals to str2 dot size. First you have to check if str1 plus str2 is not equals to str2 plus str1, then you just have to return empty string. Okay, so let's explain this line with an example. Let's concatenate this line. I have written this string 1 plus string 2. First I will find S1 plus S2, which is S1 plus S2 will give me A, B, C, A, B, C. Okay, and again ABC, which is of S2. This is the concatenation of a string, and again in this code I just have to find string 2 plus string 1. Okay, so let's do string 2 plus string 1, which will give me this ABC plus this ABC. Okay, concatenating ABC, A, B, C. Okay, I have to check that string 1 and string 2 is not equals to. If it is not equals to, if this one, if this one and this one is not equals to, then you just have to return empty string. But these two strings are equal, so you just have to move forward. Okay, so let's move forward. If it is not following this condition, then I will return str1 dot sub str. okay, substring, which will find the substring from 0 to GCD of length 1 comma length 2. Okay, let's decode this line, only this line. Of course these strings are equal, so we will not return the empty string, we will move forward to this string. So I have written that I have written str1 dot 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 substr which is 0 comma GCD of length 1 and length 2. Length 1 and length 2 means a string of length 1, sorry, length of string 1 and string 2. So length of string 1 is 6 and length of string 2 is 3. Okay, so the GCD of 6 and 3 you will automatically get. How will you find the GCD? You just have to divide 6 by 3. You will get you will you sorry, you don't have to divide. This will after finding the GCD you will get the 3 greatest common divisor 0 to 3. Okay, and string 1 you will find the string 1 substr means the length of substring will be 0 to 3, 0 1 2. Here you will automatically stop here and you will return string ABC. Okay, so you just have to do this. So let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.